Hello everyone, welcome to MR.Hira channel. Today I am going to show you the video converter which is the best I am using. You can do many things using this video converter. So shall we talk more after go to the video? As before I said, this video converter is the best one because you can not only convert video and audio but also make videos. As well, there are more things in this video converter. Well, we will talk one by one. First, I will open the software. This software name is Aiseesoft Video Converter. When you open the software, its interface is like this. This tab is used to convert video and audio. Well, I will add a media first. After adding a media, you can see icon of this corner. When you click this icon, you can see there are a lot of audio and video converter samples. As well, you can see there are a lot of device samples for Android, Apple, Samsung, etc. Furthermore, you can add or disable audio and subtitles which relevant for the media you added in this tab. When you come to the bottom of this tab, you can see that where your files are going to save. Well, we will go to the second tab. In this tab, you can write CD and DVD. Let's go to the third tab. This tab is my favorite. In this tab, you can make videos adding audio, subtitles, watermark, etc. Well, I will show you that how to make a video. There are many themes here. First, I will choose a theme here. Next, I choose some video footage. This audio is default audio. Now I am going to edit it. If you want to customize your video, you can do it here. You can add filters, audio, subtitles, watermarks, and you can adjust brightness, saturation, etc. Now I am going to export this video. It was exported. We will see that how it is. You can see it has been made perfectly. Next, I am going to open Collage tab. You can make video collages using this tab. As before I said, you can add audio and effects in this tab too. You can adjust videos using these settings. Then I open Toolbox tab. If you use metadata editor, you can change details of media which you add. When you use video compressor, you can compress media which you add using these settings. If you use GIF maker, you can make GIF using these settings. When you use 3D Maker, you can create customized 3D video from 2D. Finally, if you use Video Enhancer, you can upscale resolution, optimize brightness and contrast, etc. So what do you think about this video converter? This video converter will really help to your work. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, click like and subscribe to our channel. Have an awesome day.